Before you declare your skin weighting as being finished, you should go on and check whether you can reach certain expressions that you want to achieve by only transforming the joints. Good poses to check is, for once, the smile expression, next the O and U phoneme, and the last expression that you should check is the mouth open. Those three expressions are some extremes with which you can also check some opposite movements. For example, the smile expression is widening the mouth, while the OU phoneme is narrowing the mouth, and the mouth open is stretching the mouth in the vertical direction, while the other two are caring for the horizontal direction mainly. As you can see, the smile expression reveals some minor unevenness in the skinning. Of course, we could say, let's fix this with corrective blend shapes in the end, which is perfectly okay to do so. Just in case that you want to save work by doing the corrective blend shape and rather want to do it by fixing the skin weighting, which is of course also perfectly legal, I will show you a trick of how to fix this quickly. So you enter the skinning tool again, go to the selection mode and select the vertices which are not quite even at the moment. Then you are simply using the so-called weight hammer tool, which you can find here in the skin weight editor. Doing so, you can already see that this is kind of averaging the vertex weights, which is fine, but be a little bit careful with this tool because you cannot define the amount of averaging that you want to do. So everything seems to be way cleaner at the moment. But still we have to check that with the single movement of the joints again. When I scrub through the animation now, please have an eye on exactly this vertex here and see what happens to that. You can probably see that that vertex is a little bit left behind when moving the jaw and moving too much when moving the mouth corner. Things like that might happen when you are using the weight hammer. So to be perfectly precise, we would now have to go back to the skinning tool and adjust this a little bit again, meaning reducing the weighting for the mouth corner and at the same time adding the weight to the jaw. So unlock jaw and lip corner joint and shift the weights until it fits again. Okay, so now I guess we can declare the smiling expression as working. So let's check the other expression, starting with the mouth narrow expression. And remember that the mouth narrowing is at the same time narrowing the mouth, of course, and rolling the lips out. You can check in the mirror with your own mouth when you try to narrow your mouth. Then you will see that you kind of automatically create a kind of kiss mouth shape. So this is exactly what we will do with the mouth of our character as well. The narrowing works fine when we at the same time move and scale our joints. Let's now rotate them. As you can see, this creates kind of a bulging, which is not as bad because we can correct that easily with the corrective blend shapes later. So let's now do the final check for the mouth open shape. What we have to do here is first of all, of course, rotating the jaw joint, which we have to make visible by turning off the X-ray joints again. And next, what we have to do is to move down the lip corner joint so that we are creating in the end a nice round shape for the outline of the mouth when the mouth is opened. So final shape is also approved. Now we can go on and create the controls for our mouth rig.